We have new information tonight on an emotional help desk report we first brought you last month.
A local family says their health insurance company has denied the care that they believe is needed for a 35-year-old father who has a brain injury.
Tonight, News 13's Karen Zakalak has an update on what's next for the family and an official response from United Healthcare about this case.
You may remember Ryan Richards. He's a husband and father from Weaverville who's been at Mission Health since February. That's when an ear infection led to meningitis, then several small strokes and trauma to his brain. His family has been working ever since to get him into a specialized rehabilitation facility or acute care, a place that, according to the family, doctors agree is needed for Richards to get better. But Richards' health insurance, United Healthcare, continues to deny that request. We reached out to United Healthcare a few weeks ago about Richards' situation and just heard back. A spokesperson sent us a statement saying in part, quote, "We are committed to helping address coverage of Ryan's healthcare needs under his benefit plan. He is approved for a skilled nursing stay, and we will continue to work with the hospital and care providers to support him and his family." But Richard's wife, Amber, says there are only 3 skilled nursing facilities in the state that will accept Richards and none in Buncombe County. She also believes he needs a higher level of rehabilitation at a specialized center in order to recover.
We're still trying to find a rehab facility. The one in Louisville, Kentucky will still take him, but if insurance won't pay, then we can't afford self-pay.
We checked back in with Amber Richards this week. She says they are now planning to bring Richards home to be with his wife and children. She's hoping that United Healthcare covers his home health and therapy services multiple days a week. She tells us Mission is working to get them the supplies needed for all of that to happen. We will continue to follow this story and let you know of any updates. Back to you.
And there is a GoFundMe account that's been set up to support the Richards. You can find it in this story at WLOS.com.
If you have a story you would like the News 13 help desk to investigate, just email us at iteam@WLOS.com. Black Mountain leaders vote unanimously to support a plastic bag ban in Buncombe County. It comes just weeks after Woodfin passed a similar resolution.
And the city of Asheville is in the first phase of banning plastic bags. But as News 13's Kimberly King reports, it's not clear when any countywide ban might happen.
Plastic bags can be found in garbage cans and along roads like this one. I'm just by Hominy Creek. And while there are environmental advocates who are working behind the scenes to get a bag ban passed in Buncombe County.
So this is all of the waste, and you can see that the majority of it is bags, right?
Nancy Lawson co-owns Curbside Management that contracts to pick up local recycling, where bag removal is mostly, she says, what workers do since they can't be recycled.
Our landfill cost for getting rid of the plastic bags alone is somewhere around $10,000 or more a month. People should not put plastic shopping bags in their recyclables.
The town of Black Mountain supports an ordinance reducing single-use plastics be adopted by Buncombe County.
All in favor?
Aye.
The town unanimous after lead advocate Anna Alsobrook with nonprofit Mountain Truth spoke.
Black Mountain has really taken a bold approach to be one of the first towns in our county to put it in writing that they support this going forward.
We want this solidarity when we're looking at cultural shifts like this.
Buncombe Commissioner Parker Sloan chairs the newly formed Environment and Climate Committee, slated for talk Friday.
The policy that would prohibit the use of plastic bags and styrofoam containers.
But other commissioners tell News 13 they oppose a ban, citing concerns including enforceability.
Just driving in today on this one road, I counted maybe 16 bags on the ground.
While advocates were confident Weaverville will soon also endorse a bag ban.
Next Tuesday, September 19th at 5 o'clock is the Buncombe County Commission meeting. We want people to come and speak for public comment, but at 4 o'clock there will be a public rally.
Advocates say plastic bags are an important first step in impacting the environment. Durham, advocates say, could soon be the first city in North Carolina to pass a plastic bag ban, possibly later this month.
Some neighbors in Rutherford County are upset about what they say are aggressive dogs on their street.
Today, they reached out to Congressman Chuck Edwards' office as some of his staff members made a stop in the county.
News 13's Taylor Thompson has details on their concerns.
Many residents who live on Grassy Knob Drive gathered outside of the county's admin building today to express their fears, as they say they're not even comfortable anymore walking down their own street because they're scared they're going to be attacked by a dog. These fears stemming from an incident that happened just a few weeks ago when 12-year-old Hunter Bishop was attacked by multiple dogs and had to be airlifted to the hospital. While Rutherford County DA Ted Bella said that no criminal charges would be filed against the dog owners, there were no laws broken, neighbors don't see it that way.
We want to be safe in our own yards.
Cheryl Taylor has lived on the street for the last 10 years, and she says it's increasingly become more dangerous, with Hunter's attack being the latest.
Some of our other friends, Amy Callahan has been attacked. 2 came into my house while I was downstairs. I had the door wall open and doing some things, and my dog was dragged outside, attacked in the house, and then dragged outside.
Taylor says it's not just one home, but many homes on the street that have dogs that are not being controlled.
We on Grassy Knob have more than one group of pit bull dogs that are aggressive. I'm waiting for my concealed carry permit to come. Not that I need it on my property, but you know, you worry about being on your property and being attacked. I can't outrun these dogs. I can't defend myself against these dogs.
Many fear if something isn't done, more people will be hurt.
Anyone has the right to walk down that road, to ride a bike down that road, or to jog down that road without the fear of being attacked.
If the correct people have the right information, maybe then an informed decision can be made about these animals on our street.
We have reached out to the sheriff's office for a comment on the neighbors' concerns and have yet to hear back. And residents say that they shouldn't have to have a fear of being attacked, and they're hopeful that by expressing their concerns to the congressman's office, that real change will be made.